Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Talabat Points. Now Talabat Rewards is the platform's loyalty program that lets you earn points on eligible orders placed through the Talabat app. Now these points can then be redeemed for discounts, exclusive offers, partner rewards, or raffle entries depending on what's available in your country. So you don't need to subscribe separately to participate. Talabat Rewards is automatically available to eligible users in supported markets. Now, points generally expire 60 days after they are credited, although the validity period may vary in some countries. So launch the Talabat app on your phone and make sure that you're signed in to the account that you have earned your Talabat rewards points. Now from the home screen, just go ahead and tap on your account or profile tab, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now this is where you find your account settings, payment methods, subscriptions, vouchers, and rewards. So now go ahead and tap on rewards, which is just at the top of the page. Now on this page, you can view your current points balance. I have 0 points, ouch. You can also find your available rewards. You can find point expiry dates and special promotions and raffles available in your market. Now the rewards shown are personalized based on your country and the current offers available. So scroll through the reward catalog. Depending on your country, you may be able to redeem your points for discounts on eligible restaurants or grocery orders, exclusive offers from participating restaurants and local shops, lifestyle partner rewards, entries into promotional raffles for prizes such as Talabat credits, electronic devices, or other promotional items. Now the available rewards and the number of points required vary by market and may change over time. So tap the reward that you like to redeem, and before confirming, just go ahead and review. I don't have rewards, right? 0.0 vouchers. But then just go ahead and tap. Well, if you do, you're going to find all of them available. So tap any reward you like to redeem, and before confirming, you have to review the number of points required. Let's say, for example, this is a reward. They have 500 points. Any minimum order value, the eligible restaurant or stores, and expiry date of the redeemed voucher or offer. Now, some discounts can only be used at participating merchants. Then once you tap, then just go ahead and tap this button that says reward redeem for 500 points. Now this redeem for 500 point button is not available to me. It's not activated because I don't have any reward. But if you have points, then just go ahead and click on redeem for 500 points or whatever number of points. Now Talabat will deduct the required number of points from your balance and issue the selected reward. Once redeemed, rewards generally cannot be cancelled, exchanged, or converted back into points. So if you've redeemed a discount voucher, you can just add eligible items to your cart and tap checkout, review your order. If applicable, select your redeemed reward or voucher and confirm that discount has been applied before completing the payment. So that's pretty much how to redeem. Now finish placing your order as usual, and if you've used a discount reward, you see the savings reflected in your order total before payment is processed. So go over this of course occurs when you're applying your reward during checkout. Okay, but if you're redeeming directly from here, just click on redeem for 500 points and you will get whatever you're ordering for. All right, so other step is to apply your reward during checkout. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.